Okay, my name is Ravi Agarwal and I'm joining from Surat,
Okay,
and I am running a computer education center here in the name of BrainPoint Computer Education.
okay,
I myself is the center head,
okay.
and
Fine. Perfect.
this is the first time I'm joining the webinar.
Okay, perfect, Agarwal. I hope you have a lovely experience. Ravi, you are alone attending this webinar, as you said you are center head,
Yes,
or
sir.
there are other
Yes,
people
sir.
also?
I'm
Okay,
I'm alone, sir.
okay, perfect. So if you have any question, just type in here, then I'll unmute you because I generally have to keep everybody muted so that not everybody starts speaking. So if you
Okay,
have question, I'll unmute you. Yeah, Ravi?
fine, sir. Then I'm supposed to type in this notepad
Yeah,
document.
the same where you are chatting with me.
Okay, fine, sir.
Yeah, you can just
So
tell
what is
me.
this notepad document for Ravi Agarwal? It's written there. There's a attendance slip.
The notepad document, where is it? On the right hand side, is it in the question section or where exactly?
No, sir. Just now you have opened and you have written my name
Oh,
on
this,
it.
no, no, no. I was just typing the name. No, this is not the attendance. We have more than 15 people.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay,
Sorry.
fine, perfect. I'll just mute you now. If you have anything, type in, I'll unmute you back.
Right, sir.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
thank you very much. Thanks. Guys, anybody else has mic? It would be very great if anybody else has mic. Don't worry, we'll solve your all the questions even if you don't have mic. I'm just asking, then the interaction becomes very good if you have mic. Yes, Ravi, we are waiting for other people to join in. It would not be more than 5 minutes to start. Hello, Darshana. Darshana, can you please chat on the right hand side? I have not heard anything from you. If you can just confirm that you can hear me as well as you have mic or not. Uh, Hi guys, let's start off. We have most of the attendance and people will start joining in. So just to give a brief, guys, don't expect from this webinar that you will learn digital marketing. This is an overview. We just want to tell you how digital marketing works and what are the benefits of joining this course and all those kind of aspects. Please feel free to ask any questions on the right hand side. I'll try to answer all of them. I might answer it at the end of the section, or I might take it on the way. Yeah. So let's first kick off. So who we are. So basically, Make Intern is a online portal, guys, to provide internships. What happened was when we started providing internships, many colleges came up and told us that they have a kind of a training need on personal development skills and stuff to get to the interview levels. So we started taking trainings on that end, and then we have also started taking training on the e-learnings, and e-learnings we have, one of them is digital marketing. We have multiple others as well, and we have trained over more than 15,000 students. And as of now, as we go, we are already at pan India level. We are training almost 600 students every month who pass out from us. It's a mix of offline and online both. And we have been associate training partners with IIM Calcutta, IIT Guwahati, and IIT Kanpur. Uh, so that this is a brief. Our clients, this is a very small list, guys. We actually have almost, we have just crossed, if somebody is active on our Facebook, must have seen we have crossed more than 1100 corporates uh, in our last month. And we also sent a notification and a newsletter on that. So these are only few of them which we could put in one slide. So these are our clients. These are our clients based on, we for some of them we do campaigns, and for some digital campaigns, and for some of them it's basically providing internships or freshers to these clients. Yeah. Agenda. So the agenda would be very clear. I would be trying to, so you can read the slide, but overall I'll tell you agenda is, I'll tell you what digital marketing is, why we should adopt, what is the future, and who all can get benefit out of the digital marketing course. Okay, so before I start kickoff, guys, I would like you guys to, just give me a detail on who you are. I just had a chat with Ravi, but for others, I just launched a poll. Just tell me if you are a student, entrepreneur, or a working professional. This will give a kind of an insight to me how I should take it. Guys, if everybody can vote, that would be great. Okay, I'm still waiting, guys. Only 60% people have voted till now. I'll just wait for 5 to 10 more seconds and then I'll close the poll. Okay, I'm closing the poll, guys. I think this is good enough information for me. So, yeah, so that's good. I think I have received most of the entrepreneurs and the working professional in this session. So that's good. Only one or two are students. Perfect. So let's go on the introduction of digital marketing. So guys, digital marketing, you can read the technical definition. It's basically nothing more than, if somebody have learned marketing, we have just added a digital word there. So that is comprises digital marketing. So what I mean by that is, marketing is always, how to reach out to customers, correct? And definition of digital marketing, how to reach out to customer using internet and email media or mobile media and etc, all the digital ways. So when we talk about digital marketing, guys, most of the concepts would be aligned with marketing, because this is just a different way to do marketing. The only difference is traditional and digital. So whatever I will go through, you guys will come to know through what is the traditional and digital side of it, but all would be related to marketing. Yeah. So this is digital marketing methodology, guys. So whenever I teach, I always say don't, write down the words, start to understand what we speak so that it's easier for you to understand the concepts. Okay. Guys, if anybody has any hesitation on understanding my flow of English, please do let me know, so that I can, be bit slowed down, or I can probably use Hindi jargons in between, if that help you guys. Um, so first is, on the left hand side, if you can see, first is strangers. Okay, so why do we need digital marketing? Guys, now for example, Ravi, because I will be taking Ravi's example because I already only got introduction from Ravi. So in case of Ravi, right, he is running an institute. So now when he opened his institute first, probably he was already having his customers, but he was definitely looking for more of them. Correct? So what he was trying to do is he was trying to reach strangers who he have never met with, or who he have never interacted with, and making them visitors. When I say visitors, I am taking this offline concept, then I'll explain the same thing in the online. When I say visitor, what he started to do was, Ravi, don't take it otherwise. I'm just taking an example, yeah. So what he started doing was he started taking pamphlets, printing pamphlets. He started distributing pamphlets to different places. Yeah. So once he have thrown the pamphlets, what have happened is some people have seen the pamphlets and they have gone to become a visitor. They have visited the institute. Okay. Now, when they visited the institute, they must have done the counseling. They must have done various other things, and those things would have converted to the leads. Okay. So when I say leads, what would happen is your counselor must have taken the email IDs, phone numbers for them to do a follow up with them. Correct. So that is a lead for you as an institute. When you start calling to the leads, or you start interacting with them through emails or through other medias, or phone calls, then they become the customers. Okay. When they become the customers, and after that, it's all about your quality. If your quality is very good, it would be starting they would start promoting it. Okay. For example, one person will say, oh, I did a course from this institute, and it's a very good institute, why don't you go and join? So they start getting references. What we call as references here is mentioned as promoters. Similar example on digital side, when Flipkart was launched or Snapdeal was launched, I'm talking just on the launch time. What they started to do was, you have started to get news feed on your Facebook that Flipkart is giving 20% off, 30% off. You may get as of now also. So at that time you were stranger to Flipkart, like nobody was aware what is Flipkart when they launched. So what happened was, then I clicked on that ad, I visited their page. Okay, I visited that page to buy a product. I became a visitor. Okay, when I became a visitor, there would be option, put your email ID and passwords, and log into Flipkart, and you may get further discounts. Why they are doing is because, until unless you leave the information, you will not be a lead for them. Correct? Until unless we do retargeting, that is a different concept we'll talk about later. So now those email IDs and numbers become leads for the Flipkart. What they start doing is they start sending newsletters. Okay, and they start sending promotional messages. So through those promotional messages and emails, you become the customer. Correct? Now when you got this, for example, you have purchased a phone for 20% off, or you really like the Flipkart services, you start promoting it. As well as there is a call to action. So what there would be an option of, please share on the Facebook. Okay, so that becomes promoter. Guys, is this concept clear? Because this is a very important concept. I will always tell you which phase I am talking about here. Please say yes on the question side. Guys, on the chat question side, in the question, can you please say yes or type 1 if you have understood this, and I can proceed further. Yeah, that's what I said. Until unless you don't buy Ravi, you will not become the customer. That is why I said till you don't buy it, you are a lead for them. Once you buy that, you become the customer for them. Guys, anybody else? Okay, I'll proceed further. Agar Sen Computer got it. Okay, perfect. Okay, now what are the channels of digital marketing? This is what we will cover today. Yes, Ravi, that's correct. Satisfied customers generally become promoters, or else until unless you give some incentive to them to do promotion, then only they can become promoter. But definitely, satisfied customer becomes a promoter. Channels of digital marketing. If you have any other question, Ravi, I'll unmute you so that you can speak to me, or else I can proceed. Okay, so channels of digital marketing, guys, we have SEO, search engine optimization, and SEM. So what SEO and SEM is, I'll talk about later, but SEM is also called PPC, pay per click. We will know what is social media marketing, email marketing, mobile marketing, affiliate marketing, display advertising, and the very key to me is remarketing. Okay. Now, what is SEO and what is SEM? SEM is basically pay per click. I'll give you an example, guys. Let me go to site. Okay, here we go. Now, I am open to Google. Guys, you can do this parallelly as well if you want. Now, I say I need to buy formal shoes online. Yeah. Now, if you see this section, I will be highlighting it. If you see this section, these are all ads. Okay. When I say ad, they are paying to come at this layer. Okay. And Google never wants his customer to keep it blindfolded. So he always mention wherever he is giving ad, right? He will also mention this particular keyword ad there, so that customer is aware that this is just an ad. This is not suggested by Google. Okay. The suggested things from Google would be these ones: Snapdeal formal shoes. Okay, I'll give you a difference. What does that mean? So the below, the Snapdeal one is actually part of SEO, and this one which I have highlighted as ad is actually part of PPC. Okay, so now guys, what do we mean by SEO? So search engine optimization, as the word itself says, we have to optimize the search engine in a way that we come on the top. So when I say we come on the top, we come on the first page of Google, because until unless we come on the first page, we would not be getting much of users. So how Google decides whether which site would be coming up, which there are thousands of parameters Google have. Okay, only few of them have been disclosed to market so that they can improve their website. So what Google says is, if my user is finding a particular thing, and if your website is giving all the details in a particular manner, then only I will show your things on the top. Saying that, how Google basically goes and searches it, Google sends his robots. Robots is nothing but kind of a program which comes to your system, to your website, will take all the information on the pages. So what Google says is, guys, if you need yourself to be on the top, you have to tell my robots what is lying on your machines. Okay, I'll give you an example. One of the examples is this particular. Now images and videos cannot be part of search engine because those are not searchable. Okay, what is searchable here is the description which we have given as part of the image. So what Google says is, whenever you are putting an image, do give description of the image, because my robots will only understand that description. Okay, this is part of SEO. Now a guy comes in, he says, guys, for SEO it will take longer time, because it takes time, guys. If somebody wants to do an SEO, so what they will do is, I'm paying you some amount, please show my ads. Once you have you know once you have basically paid me, even if people click, only when people click I will pay you. So for example, now this trendin.com, right? Now when I go to trendin.com, if I click on this ad, there would be certain amount which would be deducted from trendin's account. Okay, so Google says whenever people will click, I will charge you. So this is called pay per click. Okay, just a second, guys. I will just erase this drawing. Just a second, guys. Sorry. Just give me 1 second. I'll just erase these drawings. Guys, just give us a second. Okay. So this is what is SEO and SEM, pay per click. Now, social media marketing, guys, this is very, 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 very important if somebody is doing marketing, because this is one of the ways where you can also get free leads and it's having very good reach. So when I say that social media, so it's basically Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and all these social media, platforms where you can do the marketing. When I say social media marketing, this is basically, guys, I'll take an example of Facebook. So it's not about creating your ID in the Facebook. That is not social media marketing. So social media marketing is how to reach to your customer using Facebook. Okay, and it's very good and very important, because, for example, Facebook, right? You can do very, very, very targeted campaigning. When I say target campaigning, for example, you have a product, okay, and you want to sell that product, and this product would be only purchased between a range of 18 years to 22 years or 24 years. I am giving an example. So of Valentine Day, which have just passed. So the guys of if he has a flower shop, what he will start doing is he will just start promoting people of that age group, and that is very easy from social media marketing. Okay, so he can easily sell. So see, the more the audience is, the more you have to pay. So you have, whenever you are doing marketing, right? I leave digital marketing, but whenever you are doing marketing, you have to be very precise on your customer. Okay, where you have want to reach as per your marketing. Then only you can do marketing properly. Okay, understood, guys, about social media marketing. And this is one of those marketings. If you are part of Facebook, right? You're logged in Facebook, you generally get news feed, right? Saying get 20% off on this shoes, or there's a new tool came up in the market, purchase this tool, something like that. Those are all part of social media marketing. That is how Facebook earns. Okay, one of the ways Facebook earns is this way. Okay, now email marketing, guys. So now, uh, if you see email marketing, right? People have very, very misconceptions saying what is email marketing. Some people think, okay, let's get a database of 1 lakh people, start dropping emails from Gmail, and we'll get some leads, and this is email marketing. That is not an email marketing, guys. That is spamming people. Email marketing is generally a concept which is used for your subscribers. So somebody have come to your website, you have subscribed, you can send newsletters and do the email marketing. And also, how many of you have actually done email marketing this way by dropping an email through Gmail accounts? Can you guys, anybody of you? They have started dropping emails through their Gmail account to their customers, probably 15, 20 also. Have anybody done that in the audience? Guys, please do answer the questions, yeah, so that I can make it more interactive. Okay, so nobody have done email marketing till date. Have anybody done email marketing? Have anybody sent an email to the people? Bhe- I'll start Hindi and English mix, huh? I've got some feedback that I should be using Hindi English both. So किसी ने भी email marketing use किया है? किसने emails भेजे हैं अपने customers को? तो they can just chat on the question section. Ravi, have you done that before? No. Okay. So guys, you will have a very good experience. I'll give you an example, guys. I have this. So there are tools, guys, from which you can send an email marketing. You can do an email marketing. So this is one of the tools called Mailchimp.com. There are multiple other tools. It all depends on your requirement. If you see my screen, so this is a campaign which we have sent. Okay, to it is very old campaign. In 2014 we have sent this. I just taken this example. uh, so if you understand this, हमने क्या किया, अपने 327 सब्सक्राइबर, मतलब मेरे पास 327 सब्सक्राइबर थे इन 2014. व्हाट आई वाज डन इज, मैंने एक मेल ड्राफ्ट किया और ये 327 लोगों को ईमेल आईडीज पे मैंने मेल डाल दिया. ओके, जब मैंने इन लोगों को मेल डाला, ये मेरा रिजल्ट था. इफ यू सी हियर, 68 पीपल ने ओपन किया और उसमें से 18 लोगों ने क्लिक किया. मैंने से 18 पीपल ने क्लिक किया. तो व्हाट डज दैट मीन इज कि आपने जो ईमेल में कंटेंट डाला था उसके अंदर जो भी आपने इमेज दी थी या आपने एक यूआरएल दिया था कि लोग क्लिक करके कहीं जाएं, लाइक ऑन देयर वेबसाइट और कहीं पे भी, दोज आर एक्चुअली कॉल्ड क्लिक्स. सो इफ यू कैन सी, आई गॉट अ बेनिफिट टू नो कि यार कितने लोगों ने एक्चुअली ओपन किया, विच यू विल नेवर गेट इट फ्रॉम Gmail, Gmail accounts. Okay, now let's do the view report. See, this is very important. uh, अब मेरे को ये पता चल गया है कि 68 लोगों ने ओपन किया था, 18 लोगों ने क्लिक किया था. और ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है गाइस कि बाउंस कहां से हुआ. बाउंस मतलब जो फेल हुआ है. ओके, दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट. तो यू नो कि एक ईमेल आईडी गलत था. नाउ अब हमें ये कैसे पता चलेगा ये ईमेल जो है वो भेजना कब है, लाइक व्हेन वी हैव टू सेंड दीज ईमेल्स. ओके, because that is also very crucial part ki when are your customers active. Now if you see this performance, 24 hours performance, I'll click on the peak. One second, I'll see what you guys are able to see first. Okay, if you see this, we have 8 open emails, 3 click emails at 6:30 p.m. So what that means is, in our case it's true because people get free from colleges by 4 5, and then by 6:30 they start looking at emails, Facebook and all those things. So this is my best time. So from future, whenever I'm planning to drop an email to 320 my subscribers, I will do that in this particular way. Okay, at this particular time. Guys, am I clear? Can you please say yes in the question section? Rikita, Roshni, Sunil, can you please say yes on the right hand side? And if you have any questions, please do let me know. Okay, it's clear. So this is actually email marketing. Okay, this is the benefit of the email marketing. Let's proceed to the next one, mobile marketing. Now, I'll give you a very good example of mobile marketing, guys. Mobile marketing is nothing but marketing through, WhatsApp, WhatsApp, mobile apps, advertising on that. Those kind of marketings are called mobile marketing. Now we'll take an example. Guys, have anybody played free games on mobiles? Okay, okay. There is Vibha saying yes. Okay. So, guys, uh, if you understand this part, you would be able to know what I am trying to say. When you play the games, for example, I'm pretty sure we would be playing free games first, and then we will going to paid version. So, how do people earn from the free games? See, there would be lot many times you would be raising question: Are they stupid? Like, why they are designing games and just for free of cost? So these guys, what they do is basically, guys, they want more their game to be a very big hit so that people start installing their games. Okay, when people start playing the games, what happens is, for example, you have reached 10,000 downloads of your app. Now people will be ready to pay for you for advertising. Okay, so what will happen is, if you have played the games on the below banner or some other app, the free app like Torch and all, on the below banner there is a very small banner popping up with one of the ads. So what happens is that app guy is actually getting paid for that particular ad. Okay, and many a times you must have clicked on those ads also. So that is what is called mobile marketing. Is it clear, guys? Now remarketing. This is a very, very good concept. I'll explain rather than through slide. I'll try to explain here. Okay. Let me go through. So what remarketing means is, guys, one sec. Let me go to side quicker. So what happens is, many a times you must have watched that you have gone to a website, you have seen that particular ad. Okay. When you have seen that ad, you start getting a particular ad. Okay. So I'll let me take one example. Okay, for example, you have gone to the Flipkart site. Okay, let's go to the Flipkart site. Cart site. It may not be able to immediately show. Okay, what I'll do is online. Sorry, formal shoes. Okay, when I click on these formal shoes. Okay, after probably some time, probably half a day. Okay, now I have clicked on this Puma shoes. Mhm. I click on Puma shoes. I've gone below. I clicked on this shoes as well. Okay. Now let's go to quicker. What will happen is, you will start seeing these shoes everywhere on the internet wherever you go. Okay, wherever the ads are running, you might start seeing these shoes. Let me see if I can, show it live to you. Okay. So we were looking last night for this Airtel broadband. It has come up. So it will take some time. Just try to do that. If anybody have noticed that, please do ping me. Say yes on the question section. So what happens is, the concept of remarketing is nothing but, when we are running ads, right? The people becomes, yes, I have noticed many times. Okay, perfect, Ravi. So when you have seen an ad on Facebook, okay, of Flipkart, which we have taken an example. I go and click on the Flipkart ad. I go to that Flipkart's website. I start clicking on shoes to compare it, like which one looks nice to me and stuff. Then I leave it. I leave that. I think, okay, let me purchase it after a day or so. I'll do some more research. What will happen is, suddenly if you go to IRCTC, you go to some other ad, you go to blogs, you will start seeing the same shoes everywhere. So that is actually called remarketing. Okay, why people is very why remarketing is very important, guys? Because I have already spent some amount on this particular customer. Okay, from, if you remember that phase I have told, now from stranger, he have already become a visitor. Now it's very important to convert that visitor to a customer. And if a person have already visited my website and he's already looking for that product, that means he is in need of that product. तो उसको वो product चाहिए ही, वो जूता उसको चाहिए. That is why वो उस website पे वो जूता ढूंढ रहा था. तो अगर मैं उसको रोज वो शूज दिखाऊंगा, देर at least after a week there would be a time probably he will go and purchase those shoes. Okay, so that is why remarketing is a very important concept. Anybody, any questions, guys? Yes, no? Can I get answers on the question section? Right hand side you have a question section. I can unmute as well to you guys if you want to. Ravi, clear. Rikita, Roshni, Sunil, Vijay. Anybody has any questions now? How it works? So Bharti, this is a concept. So how it works would be actually been taught in the part of course, but how it actually works is we go and drop some cookies in your temporary files. When you do click on some ads, they go and get saved in your browser cache. Okay, so when new websites comes in, what we tell as a Flipkart, please go to the browser cache, and if he have visited my product, please show the ad, I'll pay to you. Bit clear, Bharti? I'll explain it once again. Okay, okay, it's clear, perfect. So guys, if everything is clear, should I move on? Vijay, Tushar, any questions you guys have, please do ask once again. Okay. So, Ravi, what happens is when you are clicking on Flipkart shoes ad, right? When you open that page, it it goes to your temporary files of your browser. Okay, that is called cookies, right? Definitely, many of you would be technical people also. So it basically go and sits as a cookie. Okay, so when I open Quicker or IRCTC, what happens is IRCTC people would Flipkart will say to IRCTC and all the sites that please show my ad if it's sitting in cookies. I will pay you to show that ad again. Clear? But how it's done technically would be explained as part of the course. Okay. Now affiliate. Oh, very good. This would be the best part for people who are looking to earn money from digital marketing class. How many of you are planning to do part-time earning from this particular digital marketing session? Guys, yes, no, please. We can proceed. I have a plan. Okay, Ravi. Do you want to talk about your plan? Should I unmute you? Or you want me to explain the affiliate first? No, later. Okay. Um, Now in affiliate marketing, what happens is guys, see, जब फ्लिपकार्ट आया था उसने क्या बोला कि मेरे पास मार्केटिंग के लिए बजट है, बट मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि till the time we don't do not how we can involve ourselves. Sorry, Bharti, are you do you have mic? Should I unmute you? If you can explain me the question, that would be great. Hi, Bharti.
Hello.
Hello. Yes, Bharti. Please speak. You
Hello.
are unmute.
Yeah. Yeah. See, being a part of this digital marketing on some website or some whatever. I mean,
Mhm.
if I like to say that I want to involve with the Flipkart, then I don't know how I can involve and where I can get the chance to get involved.
Okay, you are talking about involving in affiliate part or as part of
Yeah.
whole digital marketing part?
Both. Both.
Both. So that's what I'll explain you this concept of affiliate. You will try to understand. So do you have a good network, Bharti? Do you have
Yeah.
a good friend of people? Okay, perfect. I'll
Yeah.
unmute you after we go through affiliate and then tell me if it clears your concept. Okay,
Okay.
and then we'll
Yeah.
discuss on this. Okay, perfect.
Okay.
So guys, affiliate is basically nothing but what people came up with. People said that ठीक है, I am doing marketing, मैं marketing कर रहा हूँ, बट मैं ऐसे लोगों से क्यों नहीं बात करता जो एक्चुअली पहले से ही काफी लोगों को जानते हैं. तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई हैव टेकन आई एम अ पर्सन हु हैव अ वेबसाइट. मेरे पास पहले से कुछ 2 लाख विजिटर्स हैं. आई एम टेकिंग एन एग्जाम्पल, राइट. फ्लिपकार्ट मेरे पास आता है, कहता है कि आप मेरा एफिलिएट क्यों नहीं करते, क्योंकि आप मेरा एफिलिएट करेंगे, आई विल सडनली गेट अ रीच टू 2 लाख पीपल. आई डोंट हैव टू डू मार्केटिंग टू रीच टू देम. करेक्ट. You became a helping hand to them and Flipkart pays to you. This is what actually affiliate marketing is all about. And these steps will tell you how you can earn from that. So the first step, sign up for an affiliate program. So you have affiliate programs. You can Google Flipkart affiliate program, or you can Google Amazon affiliate program. See, affiliate.flipkart.com. Okay, this is what it says. They give you a link. Okay, signs for affiliate program. What it says is sign up on this site. You can go and sign up on this site. Okay, the affiliate will give you a link which he is highlighting here. Drive the traffic, promote the links on your website or an app. So this is what it will say. It will give you a unique link which will be your link. What you will do is you will put your, so affiliate can be done in multiple ways. If you have very big database of any customers, you can drop them as a newsletter saying that this new product have come up. You will click, if you so you can put there. If you have a website, you can put a particular ad there and put the link at the back of that. So you can have multiple ways. In the mobile messages, you can just send the link across. So these are 3-4 different ways you can do your affiliate marketing. Okay, now the third step, if the customer clicks on the link, what will happen is it get tracked in their affiliate tool. So the tool they are referring here, the affiliate tool, what will happen is it will tell you through your website how many clicks have happened. Okay, it will start telling you. So I'm not signed in for this one, affiliate one. So you can, once you sign in, you have those called links. You have a tool where it will tell you that these many people have came through your network and they have made a purchase. You start getting money. Okay, so the fourth step is the affiliate network track, which I've already explained, and the fifth is they get paid. Okay, now Bharti, I'll unmute you and tell me if you understood it. Bharti, I unmute you? I think there's a lot of noise at the back. Or do you want to have a chat? Okay. Yep. Go ahead, Bharti. Bharti? Yes, tell me. I am muting you, Bharti. Actually, there's a lot of noise at the back. Sorry, Bharti, I had to mute you because there's a lot of noise at the back. Does this work for every online marketing sites? Nidhi. Nidhi, do you have a mic? Are you at the quiet place? Not as Bharti? I am unmuting you.
Actually,
Yeah,
hello.
go ahead.
Yeah, actually, I was wondering if it works for Just Dial too.
It works for what? Just Dial. For
Just Dial,
example,
yes. For example,
affiliate with Just Dial.
yes.
Yeah, you can check it out. I need to check, to be honest. I don't know if they give any. So it's up to Flipkart, right? He wants an affiliate or not.
No, no, no. Just Dial is an app which shows each and every small or big businesses people do, right?
Correct.
So if I have a startup company and I want to do affiliated with Just Dial, then can I do it?
No, not necessary. So I'll give you an example, Nidhi. So not necessary. So the one which you are saying, right? You are joining classified. Okay. Just Dial
Hmm.
is nothing but a classified site like Yellow Pages was. in a physical format. Yellow Pages has gone an online format. So you can
Yeah, yeah.
anyways get associated with Just Dial and they will start sending you leads. Okay. But that is not affiliate.
Okay.
What affiliate is, for
Okay.
example, do you have any website or not, Nidhi?
No, no, not
Okay.
right now.
Not right now. Okay. For example, you have a
Yeah.
website, right? Uh, you
Okay.
have an e-commerce website or you have a services website. Now, what you can
Mm.
do is we have different affiliate networks. For example, you have vCommission. Okay,
Mm.
vcommission.com. What you can do is if you register to vCommission, you will register and say vCommission, I need sales to be done on my website, and for each sale, I am ready to pay rupees 10.
Mm.
Okay, so what they will do is they will
Mm.
find affiliates for you.
Okay.
Okay, they will find people who can do marketing for you, who can do sales for you. What you have to do is whenever sales happen, you have to pay rupees 10 to them. Clear?
Okay. Yes.
Okay, perfect, Nidhi.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, let's proceed, guys. I hope it's clear to everyone. Anybody a question, I can still answer, or else I'll proceed. Okay, I am proceeding with display advertising. What do we mean by display advertising is nothing but I'll give you an example www dot. So there are two types of advertising. One is text advertising and one is banner advertising. So for example, this one. See, so this one is display advertising. Fab LA and Geetam University. These guys are doing fab advertising. Okay. Oh, Ravi. Ravi, no, there's no initial charges, Ravi, to become an affiliate. But it all depends on vCommission and other sites. Will they entertain you or not? Because they also check, how authorized you are and stuff. Does that answer your question, Ravi? Okay. So this is display advertising. Now, why digital marketing, guys, is matters today? So there are different ways. Marketing effectiveness and precise targeting. Now, I'll give. Let me see. When I say marketing effectiveness, so this is a website called getyourdriver.com, which we were doing promotion. I hope you guys can see this. So when I say precise, you can very well know what date, how many people. So if I select on users, I'll come to know how many users have came in. Okay, on Jan 22nd, how many people have visited my website on your, this particular date, how many have visited, from where they have visited, which landing page they have visited, after that which landing page they have gone. All these things can be, you can just check and you can do the precise marketing using that. So you have a lot of information here. So here you can easily see I have got 1600, 1664 organic search, 114 is referral, 281 is direct. So there is a lot of information which you can use in digital marketing for effectiveness and precise targeting. One of the examples which मैंने तुम्हें बताया था was Valentine वाला day, right? अगर किसी का फ्लावर्स का शॉप है ऑनलाइन या लोकल भी है, वो क्या कर सकता है, सिर्फ प्रॉब्ली 16 years to 30 और 28 years तक वो एड फेसबुक पे दिखा सकते हैं. You will get a very precise targeting which you cannot do in traditional marketing. Just a second, guys, let me have a bit of water. Okay. So as I was giving an example of pamphlets, right? अगर आपका flower shop है, आप जाके pamphlets गिरा देते हो घरों में. First of all, you never know. So you have printed 1,000 pamphlets. How many of them have got dropped off? Second, how many people have viewed it? How many people have come up using seeing your pamphlet? So these are all the things which is not possible in traditional marketing. In digital only it's possible to do that. Okay, now driving revenue through personalized offer. When I say personalized offers, you can very well do in a way if I'm doing a marketing, for example, okay, I'm just taking an example, I don't know if that happens or not. For example, 14 Feb Valentine Day, correct? Probably 20th Feb is some regional thing, okay, कोई बहुत बड़ा festival है, for example, okay. Now I know if I target age of 40 plus to 60, not on Valentine Day, but for that festival, it would be fruitful to me. And if I target 18 to 22 for Valentine, that would be more fruitful. So I can do a personalized offers also. So I can also, if I have a database of people who I know date of birth, I can very well automate it saying जब भी उसका डेट ऑफ बर्थ होगा एक उसको ईमेल शूट कर दो कि बिकॉज आज आपका बर्थडे आपको 40% ऑफ मिल रहा है. So what you will feel is okay, oh shit, आज मेरा बर्थडे है इसलिए मुझे मिल रहा है. You will do that, okay? You may use it. Increase customer satisfaction and experience, yes. So I'll give you an example. अगर आपने कोई ऐप यूज करी है ओला कैब या किसी की, तो क्या होता है उसके अंदर, जैसे ही आप वो राइड कंप्लीट करते हैं, यू गेट अ पॉपअप कि आपको फीडबैक देना है, ओके? 2 स्टार, 3 स्टार, 4 स्टार, वट एवर यू वांट टू गिव, यू कैन गिव दैट. बट नॉट इन फिजिकल केस, राइट? ट्रेडिशनल के केस में बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. आप जरूर वो नोट बुक रख देते हैं जिसके अंदर यू कैन कस्टमर कम्स इन एंड फिल्स इन फीडबैक, बट दैट कैन बी ऑफ दैट कैन बी मॉडिफाइड बाय एनीवन. ठीक है, मेरा कोई मैं एक सेल्स का बंदा हूँ, मेरा कोई फ्रेंड है, उसको बोला यार तू 3 4 अच्छे कमेंट लिख के चला जा, बट दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल इन द ऐप और डिजिटल वर्ल्ड. ठीक है, क्योंकि मुझे नहीं पता कि कौन इस टाइम पे मेरी वेबसाइट देख रहा है. इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. Now, increased customer retention, that all depends on the service. Marketing efficiency and quick time to value. So marketing efficiency, you don't have to ship. So this is not a brick and mortar business. तो जब भी हम brick and mortar business बोलते हैं, वो basically traditional को बोलते हैं कि अपनी shop ली और उस पे काम किया. Brick और mortar business में आपको बैठना पड़ता है shop पे, और वो एक particular time तक चलता है, 9 से लेके 6 बजे तक, okay? But in this case, even if you are sleeping, it works for you, okay? So I have few of my friends who have done affiliate and they have good blogs, and now they have left that. वो blog अपने आप चल रहा है, अपने आप उससे revenue आ रहा है. They have started focusing on new things, some new websites, some new blogs, okay? So this is how it can work. Now I have a poll question for you guys. Please do answer that. Let me give this. Please answer the poll, guys. आपने कोई कोरियन सॉन्ग सुना है कभी? Or have you seen any Korean song? Yes, no. Guys, can everybody vote, please? I have seen half of the people have voted. I cannot take all the names because we have more than 50, 60%. Okay, I am closing the poll, yeah. Close the poll. These are the results, guys. So people are saying they have not heard any Korean song. I'll hide this. I'll go to the next slide and you will realize you have heard a Korean song, Gangnam Style. So this is what is power of digital marketing, guys. On air AIB, I don't know how many of you are aware, they came from a YouTube channel to a full fledged you know on from Ask Me Bazaar have hosted them. This Gangnam Style guy, he has just used digital marketing to reach and become famous, and I don't have to tell how famous he was for his duration. And other guys who you see on the screens, they are all been famous through uh, different marketing methods, and mainly they have used digital marketing on the YouTubes and stuff. Okay, clear, guys? Second thing, why you should go with digital marketing. I don't know. I'm pretty sure everybody have heard from our Prime Minister Narendra Modi that we are going to the adoption of digital India. So they every see. I don't have to tell that digital marketing is important, but I think if leaders of the country are saying it's important, it should be important. They also have some vision. Um, So you take any big companies, everybody is going digital. So they are seeing a way through. I know many of the people have this concern, oh, but going digital, people are not earning, e-commerce is still not earning. But guys, you have to understand, people are giving funding to them. People are giving, having faith in them because they are showing something to them. Correct? This is just a list of e-commerce guys. I wanted to highlight in as one of the slides. You can read yourself all the names, but this is just to tell you how people have grown up using digital marketing, and these are all the companies which have come up as digital marketing. Okay, these are all the e-commerce sites. Future of digital marketing, you can check these numbers. I'll not repeat these numbers or else you guys will get bored. This is just to show you the numbers, how many people are using digital marketing, are on online. And this is for Jan 2015. I'm pretty sure it have grown up. So you can see the number is like 200 million, which is very not a very huge number if you want to do your marketing and stuff. And after US and China, we are the ones. There is a company called Reckitt Benckiser, guys. It's a Dettol company. So earlier, 4 years back, I know 4 years back, India was 15th market in sales. Okay, 15th market, starting from US, Europe, and this year they have declared India to be the second market, second highest sales in whole world for Dettol is in India, and that is all done through different. So what I'm trying to say is the consumers are huge here. Okay, if the product is good, you will definitely get sales if your marketing is good. This is just the spend people have done in digital marketing. When I say on advertisings, so why we show this slide is because if they are spending so much, definitely there is some value add which they are getting, and also whenever the money is poured into the market, they get a you know there are jobs coming up. There are multiple things comes up. Talent gap, people who are student, trust me, you should see this. We are facing a huge crunch here in Delhi as well. As I told you, we have more than 1,000 corporates. Everybody have a need of social media guy, but they are not able to do it because we don't have talent. Leave tier 2 cities, tier 1 cities also doesn't have that talent. People are looking for people who have bit of experience, and this is a knowledge gap we have. Okay, this is a talent gap. You can see on an average you have like 30% gap, and you guys can fill it. And Rashmi, I don't know which background all of you are from, but whenever we put a posting for Java developer, it gets we get 1,000 applications, but when we put it for digital marketer or SEO guy, there are only few of them which come up, and employers say that we don't have to take interview because we don't have any other option. Okay, clear? Learn digital, earn digital. Affiliate is one of the ways. So we always say that you learn digital, but see guys, even if we teach you, um, earning is on your hand because you have to implement it. Okay, so if you do not implement it, you will not learn it properly. So that's why we always say that you should learn digital and earn digital, and there is a huge scope, guys. I'll go to the course curriculum. Uh, Sorry, the batch starting date is bit wrong. The coordinators can tell you. We have 1 to 1.5 months of this program, 3 hours per day. It's 3 days a week if it's working for weekdays, or else it's twice in weekend, Saturday and Sunday. From course completion, we give certification to each participants. We give assignments. We have and stuff, and we also take exams so that we know where you guys stand. And we this is the fees, guys. Now, please don't get shocked that the fees is too low because see, I know the marketing. Other people are charging like 40,000 rupees for covering the digital marketing course. We are just doing it in rupees 8,000. Our Why we have a less course fee, because we are focusing on making Make Intern as a brand rather than earning. Yeah, Ravi, I'll be sharing the course content as well as the coordinators will share the course content with you. In the next slide, we'll share the course content. Uh, and this is our only launch price. So we will timely may have to increase depending on how the demand is and what all we add, because we are planning to add more stuff in these courses. The only catch here is, uh, if somebody is looking for registering, they have to pay rupees 1,000, and rest can be paid later. Um, and they can book their seats for the batch. Course content. This is the course content, but Ravi will send it across if you need in a kind of a PDF file. You will come to know. We'll go through introduction to digital marketing, SEO, webmaster tool, Google Analytics, search engine marketing, search, social media optimization, AdWords. You can see all these things. I've just picked up few of them today as an overview, but this would be taught in a big details, and you guys would be implementing it. Okay, it's not just the theory sessions; it's all practical. Ravi, Ravi Agarwal. Yes, Ravi.
All this will be totally theoretical, or
No,
will be
all
doing
practical.
something so that
No, no, no.
we
It's
get
all
some sort of
practical.
experience of it.
It's all practical. Digital marketing cannot be taught in
So,
theory.
sir, how? Okay, fine, sir. Now, sir, like how it can be done practically through webinar?
Yeah, yeah. So through webinar, we can also make you presenters. Okay. So we have a constraint of a batch. We do not exceed a batch of 20 max. 20 is the max we go. Okay. Even if we have more than that, we start a new batch. So what we do is through we can clearly do in the similar way what we are doing as of now. But the trainer can, you can take a control as well. If I make you as a, kind of a, you want to show something, the trainer can do that.
Hello,
Okay. Hello. Yes.
hello. Can
Hello.
you hear me, sir?
I can hear you. Can you hear us?
Okay, so it will be practically like
Yes.
we'll be doing it practically like placing the ads on Google and
Yes.
this
Yes.
SMO
Yes.
and SEO.
Yes. That you would be doing practically. But implementation would be your
Uh,
part. You will be taught how
okay,
to
and
do it.
sir,
Mhm.
like
Go ahead. Go ahead.
fine,
Yeah.
sir, like you as you said that it will be thrice a week, 3 hours per session.
Correct.
So it will be 9 hours a week, right, sir?
Correct. Overall.
So is it possible on only on Saturdays and Sunday instead of
Yeah, there
weekdays?
are two batches. There are two batches. One is Saturday, Sunday, and one is weekday.
Saturday, Sunday will be also for 3 hours each?
Yes. But that will go till 1.5 months rather than 1 month.
Not an issue, sir.
Yeah.
Time is not an issue because you can't concentrate more than 3 hours on a particular topic. So 3 hours will be good enough on Saturdays and Sundays.
Yeah, we have both the things there, weekday as well as weekend.
Okay.
Okay.
And so
Mhm.
total number of sessions, if we are taking it on Saturdays and Sunday, will amount to eight to nine
26.
sessions, sir.
It would be overall 36 hours, 12 sessions. But in the same price, we might
36 hours it will be.
36 hours. But like last time session, right? Last batch, we extended one more session. It became 39 hours because people had some questions. So we are
Fine,
flexible on
fine.
that. Yeah.
That is always okay, fine.
Student can attend webinar from home. पूछ रहा है वो अग्रसेन वाला. Ravi, do you have any questions or I can mute you?
Sir, one more.
Yeah, sure.
Uh, so will be getting any written material, something, or it will be all, everything will be totally online.
No, no, no. You would be getting few of the PDFs. Uh, You will be getting
Okay,
few of the
fine.
PDFs from the trainers.
And we'll be getting some assignments also to do so
Yes,
that we can
yes,
practice and get back to you.
yes, yes, yes. So what we generally do is, if you, we'll send you the course session, the course
Hmm.
curriculum. So you will see topic, then practical, topic, then practical, then topic, then practical. This is how we go.
Fine, sir. Can you send like through email? Can you all send me? Should
Yeah,
I put
I'll
my email address out there, sir?
sure, Ravi. Who coordinated with you? Can you give a name? I can ask the coordinator to send you the material. Who was in touch with you?
Mr. Advani, I guess
Okay,
Anand Advani.
okay, perfect. I'll ask. I'll send it across. No problem. I'll ask them to send it across.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
You can mute me, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thanks. Okay. Um, so who all can attend the sessions, guys? It's students. I have already told there's a knowledge gap. Entrepreneurs, businessmen definitely should do. No, nothing. You should not, wait anymore if you are still waiting to think. Working professionals who is planning to change or who is from the similar line of marketing but want to move on the digital marketing end. Guys, 7 reasons why you want to join in. We have a max of 30 people who join the batch, but till now we have not created it because 20 is as of now we are creating as max number of students so that we can give a better quality. Curriculums are designed by the CEOs and the directors of our clients. Actually, we have reached out to them to share the material so that they also understand if our quality is good. Placement support is given only to the top participants. I'm still saying it would be placement support. We do not give false hopes of we would be getting 100% placement, but you will be definitely getting calls from the companies, and the conversion can be done from your end. Uh, Content add-ons, we'll give you assignments. What will be the weekend time batch timings? Ravi, I'll ask Anand to communicate, or I will send a mail across with all the timings. Ravi. Backup classes, if you have missed, don't worry. We have the classes every 15 days. The same thing would be getting repeated, as well as you will have access to the recorded sessions. Exactly same sessions what you are attending would be recorded and would be uploaded and given an access to you. You can watch a number of times you want to. But we have an analytics at the back end. When we see if it's crossing more than 10, 15 times, we may stop your access because sometimes people do a misuse of that. We will have an online. Do we have to decide right away or we can take 2 days to decide? Um, Nidhi, if you do it right away, I think coordinators must have told you for today there is some discounts, but I'll ask coordinator to discuss with you. Uh, Nidhi, can you just type in your number here so that we can call you back? Affordable, I think your training, I don't have to tell that it's affordable. You can very well go all over internet and search for it. Okay. Um, that's it. We have online query support, and we also have, we also are very flexible with the students. If they want more sessions and stuff, we do not hesitate. We do get more of them, but to the reasonable levels. Okay. Um, our current batches, okay. This is the old slide. We have already reached to crossing 10 cities, but yeah, we cannot put all of them here. So there are more new cities, and probably there are some people here in this session from different part of India's. So they are aware where they are sitting from. So this is just to highlight. We have this slide is almost, I think, 6, 7 months old slide. So it's I'll ask them to modify and add all the cities here. This is the question. Guys, feel free to ask questions. In the meanwhile, I am launching one poll. Please do update. Um, if you have any questions, I am free for next 5 to 10 minutes. You can ask question. I'm keeping this open, and please do answer the polls. Any questions anybody has, they can also check with their coordinators if they have questions, but I can definitely answer.